Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150, that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the alarm fuse is located, guys, which fuse you need to check for the alarm system, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So here, guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 F150 that we have right here. That will be the truck we'll be demonstrating on. If you open, guys, the hood, you'll see that you have one fuse box there, and in that fuse box you can see you have different fuses, relays that could be Ford specific. They can be really hard to find, not possible to find in the middle of nowhere or small towns, or they can be really overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price, quick shipping as well. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's located inside your F-150, guys. Okay, and let me go back. Okay, let me see where I got it. Yep, right here. And in the passenger side, in the footwell, right here in the kick panel, you remove that plastic. There is one plastic here. You open it and you'll see a fuse box that looks just like this one, guys. This is the fuse box right there. And now, before we explain which fuses you need to check, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the alarm fuse can be a little bit tricky to find. You can see you have a row of fuses, then you have those specific double fuses, and if you look by them, you just have number 7, 9, 11, but where did, let's say, 6, 8, 10 go? Okay, on the other side you have 29, 30. So the fuse that we need to find specifically for the alarm is known as fuse number 8. And if you look here, guys, you have number 5, then you have number 6, 7. This is a double fuse, and then you have 8, 9. So that fuse right here that we have, guys, okay, but it will be known as fuse 9, but it's actually fuse 8, the left side of the fuse. That's the one for the alarm system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.